Sir, most of my friends interacted with me and they said their issues with their parents. So they are feeling very tensed and frightened to speak with their parents and speak honestly with them, as they think that they are scolding them. What you will suggest them to do, sir?
Okay. First, in this regard, I would like to suggest to the parents. Parents understand the plight of today's children. They want to communicate something to you. They want to be honest, but they are afraid of your reaction. Whatever the reason, for example, child scored secured lower, not the kind of marks that you expected, somewhat lower marks. So, I have seen children, not many but few, erasing the marks in the progress card and putting up some higher marks. Why? When questioned, sir, my father beats me, so I want to avoid this. When your reaction is this kind, extreme, that's what the children will do. Don't be too ideological. Don't expect children to be so ideal. Children are children, they are bound to commit mistakes. It is our duty to make them understand, to correct them. If children are open to you, you can do wonders. Children should feel free, especially parents of teenagers should act like friends to their children. Child, out of innocence or due to peer pressure, the society around us is too bad today. Children get influenced by so many negative elements. So they have committed a mistake. Now they feel like repenting, expressing the same to you. If you are not open enough, they'll go into their shell, they'll become secretive, and the gulf between you and their children will get widened, and it will only take them to more and more negative uh, things, negative places. So be free, be friendly with your teenage children. Now for this latest. Chalo, what happens if your parent is reacting angrily? You have committed a mistake, you want to open up, you want to tell something. In a moment, fit of anger, your father is going to beat you. But tell sorry. Understand the reaction of your parent. Why the parent is doing that? Because you committed a mistake. Once you accept your mistake, I don't think any parent will be still finding fault with you. Array, my daughter, my son has learned, understood the mistake. Actually, I committed a mistake of scolding or beating the person. The parent will start feeling. Empathy, you should, as I told some time ago, you should empathize with parents. Parents should empathize with children. So be open. By chance, if your parent is not so open, not so receptive to your thoughts, then you have got parents at school. Who are they? Teachers, only teachers. I am not your parent. Okay, so be free, be open. We teachers at Slate are your second parents. Your parents will accept your mistakes. In extreme case, if your parents are not ready to accept that, if you need help, you call us. Because I'm using the word call because now the school is not physically functioning. When school is functioning, you come to us, you tell your plight. If required, we'll call your parents and we'll tell them. Now, what am I doing? Is this class only meant for you or for parents also? Whatever question you have been asking, for every question I was answering it from Slater's point of view, also answering keeping parents in mind. This class of mine is a class for Slaters as well as their parents. In other words, I am trying to educate parents as well. Understood? Okay.